Wade's Unboxings, and I have a new unboxing to do today. It is a microphone, and if you can see, it's a Sony, and the microphone model is the ECMCS3. It's a tie clip microphone, crisp, clear, stereo recording, 360-degree rotating clip. And there's not much to the packaging itself. I read through the little spew there. You can see it says clip, and you can see it itself, microphone. And there's a cable coming off it, and from the side you can see there's a little clip. The back just has a little picture of the guy showing his microphone on his tie going to a recording device. I actually got this for my Sony action cam, so I could put this into record better, hopefully better if it works, better sound doing the moto video logs on the motorcycle. So let's open this up and see what it does show. So it's stapled all around, which is a little different. Packaging usually doesn't come stapled these days, but that's what we have. And let's see if we can just grab the whole thing out. So this packaging, nothing really special here. And again, some more packaging for garbage. And here we have the whole unit. So it comes with warranty information, 1-year customer warranty, and it also the limited warranty card. Ooh, exciting. And this is the manual itself, so you can see the microphone connected to stuff, put it on your tie, your pocket, or your tie. Let's open this up, see if there's anything else exciting in here. I don't think there will be. No, and there's just a bunch of troubleshooting stuff, and specifications, and precautions. I guess that's probably don't swallow it or something. It's really what can a mic do. Let's get this open now. And before we do that, make sure there's nothing else left here. Again, just more plastic. And a little picture of a guy doing meetings and interviews, records them. And now we have the product itself, which is twist tied. And you have the cable, which is quite long. And you have the microphone. And not sure if you can see much about it. Not too much to it. It says Sony. And on the top here you have the left and right stereo and the clip itself, and you can rotate that as need be. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it yet, but that's it. And then the cable, the one thing I didn't like about this is it has a angled clip, and I need to get this into my action cam case, and the only way to do that would be to drill a hole into the case, and with the angle it's not going to work, so I did buy an extension, and it has a straight pin that I will be able to use to extend, well actually just to make it, I wish it was shorter. That was kind of the shortest, cheapest one I could find, so just to make that a straight pin. And what I might do is plug this into the action cam and see how it works. So I'm going to stop the video here, and hopefully we'll be able to get it to work. Okay, so we have the mic connected to the action cam. And this is a test for the mic. I'm just going to twist it around, see if you can hear this fine. There may be some echo. This room is has a slight echo to it, but it's not too bad. Hopefully the mic is able to pick up the sound correctly. I did a quick little test and it did seem to work. So, you know, I think this is going to work out, you know, with the motorcycle video logs and the helmet. Put it into the motorcycle helmet. So, as you can see, it works. So I'm going to sign off. It's Wade's unboxing with the Sony tie clip, the ECMCS3. I got it off Amazon, and it wasn't that much, but you know, it seems to be working. Sony with Sony, keep everything together. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button to be notified of the next video upload. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.